Hello everyone, welcome to day 1 of our 30-day English Fluency Challenge on Learn with Riaz. I am Riaz.
And I am Emma. We are so excited to help you speak English confidently in just 30 days.
Yes, but before we start our 99 sentences shadowing practice, please click the subscribe button right now and press the bell icon to join this challenge with us.
Subscribe now so you don't miss day 2 tomorrow. Let's start. Listen carefully and repeat after us.
Good morning. How are you?
I am doing great, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Emma. What about you?
Nice to meet you.
It is a beautiful day today.
Where are you from?
I live in a beautiful town.
What do you do?
I am studying English every day.
Can you help me, please?
Yes, of course. How can I help?
Thank you so much for your support.
You are very welcome.
No problem at all.
Excuse me, what time is it?
It is exactly 10 o'clock.
I'm sorry for being late.
Don't worry about it. It's fine.
Have a wonderful day ahead.
See you later.
Take care of yourself.
Long time no see.
I am so happy to see you again.
Let's stay in touch.
I wake up early in the morning.
I like to drink tea first thing.
My mother makes delicious breakfast.
I need to wash my face now.
Where are my house keys?
They are on the kitchen table.
I am making a cup of coffee.
Can you turn off the lights?
The weather is a bit cold inside.
Please open the window for fresh air.
I need to clean my room today.
Let's sit together and talk.
What are we having for lunch?
I am heating up the food.
This food tastes amazing.
Please pass me the water bottle.
I feel a little tired now.
I'm going to take a short nap.
Can you loud the volume?
I am watching an interesting video.
Time flies so fast.
I need to do my laundry.
Let's go outside for a walk.
Lock the front door, please.
It is time to go to sleep.
I understand what you mean.
I completely agree with your point.
That sounds like a wonderful idea.
I'm not sure about this yet.
Let me think about it for a minute.
What do you think I should do?
It depends on your hard work.
You are absolutely right about that.
I believe in your skills.
Never give up on your goals.
Everything will be perfectly fine.
Don't worry, it takes time.
Practice makes a man perfect.
I am doing my best every single day.
You are improving so much.
Keep up the great work.
I am very proud of you.
Thank you for encouraging me.
Let's try one more time.
Failure is the first step to success.
Stay positive and stay strong.
Focus on your bright future.
Life is full of beautiful surprises.
Enjoy every small moment.
This is just the beginning.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
It is just around the corner.
I'm going to buy some fresh fruits.
How much does this jacket cost?
Is there any discount on this shirt?
Can I pay with cash, please?
Here is your change and receipt.
Where is the bus stop located?
Walk straight and then turn left.
I am looking for a garments shop.
I love wearing comfortable clothes.
This size fits me perfectly.
Let's check the quality first.
The streets are very busy today.
I need to book a taxi online.
Drive safely on the road.
We have finally arrived here.
What a beautiful view this is.
I want to take a quick photo.
Can you hold my bag for a second?
Let's go back home now.
It was a fantastic journey.
I learned so many new phrases today.
We completed day 1 successfully.
Wow, congratulations everyone. You just completed 99 sentences of shadowing practice on day 1.
Excellent job. Please tell us in the comments how many sentences did you repeat successfully.
Don't forget to share this challenge video with your friends who want to speak English fast.
See you tomorrow for day 2 on Learn with Riaz. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.